Hello, my planner friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be working on my plan with me in my new 2021 planner. I'm going to add in a clip right here of me opening that and showing you what the new planner looks like. And then we'll go ahead and jump into the planner layout for this this next week coming up. And I am going to be sharing with you my 2021 planner that I decided to purchase. I saw this planner and knew right away that it was the one for me. I'm actually going to be opening this planner right now, but I really just wanted to open it up and look at it, but I didn't want to open it up. I wanted to open it up on camera. So anyway, so this is the Happy Planner line. This is for, I always do the 12-month planners instead of the 18-month planners because I like to switch them up. So I'm going to just take this off. Now I got the one that's the cat lady one. I mean, I do have a cat, so, you know, that's nice, but that's not ultimately why I got this one, and I will have to get some brewing alcohol probably. Oh, there it goes. Took it off. Okay, so I did buy extensions for the planner. I always need to have extensions for my planners, so these are the bigger planner rings. So this particular book or planner, I purchased it not specifically exclusively because it's a cat planner. I mean, that's not really even remotely why I purchased it. I actually purchased it because, first of all, it's vertical, and secondly, it is completely blank. There's no color, there's no like photos or pictures or anything like that on it, and even the insides are completely blank. I'm so excited about this. You do not know. If you guys don't follow me for my planner videos, you wouldn't know, but typically I go all out on my planner video or my planner layouts and completely like to decorate. And 2020, I'm actually going to have 4 planners for my 2020 alone because they do get quite thick. You can see the thickness of this planner right here. Not sure if you can see that, but basically this is only 3 months worth of planners. So yeah, I'm very decorative and like to have a lot of fun with it. So that is basically why I'm really excited about this planner. It specifically doesn't have the line. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So see how this one, I bought this one because it was the least one with the least decorations on it, but it still has color, right? So sometimes the purple line just doesn't work. For instance, like this pink one that I just did, like the purple line I had to cover up before I could actually do it. This one too, I had to cover it up with the black. And I don't always like to have to do that. I want to be able to just do whatever I want and not have to worry about covering things up. So I am so in love with this planner. I even like the side panel has like no coloring on it. So I wouldn't really even care what the theme was, to be honest with you. Like I wouldn't matter what these pictures on the cover look like. Really, the most important piece to me is the inside. I really like kind of how simplified this piece is too. I think that's really nice. So I'm a happy owner. I'm happily owned by my cat. Yeah, he thinks that's true, but I got news for him. So then, of course, that's the middle, and then here is the next February one. Super cute. I even like the fact that they are fairly even, kind of like just a simple color scheme, right? It's not too out there. Like that one's pretty. And April, home is where your cat is. I mean, this is a pretty cute planner. Yeah, that one's got some foil on it. I didn't choose my cat chose me. I don't know how true that is. Oh, that one's pretty. That one's got some foil on it too. July's, and then August. Cold Nose, Warm Heart. And then Cat Hair, Don't Care. Oh, the cat hair. There's the cat. Cat Lady. And then Feline Goodness. Okay, so yeah. All right, so now that we kind of have an idea of what planner I'm going to be using for 2021, we can go ahead and jump in and start the first plan with me. So this one is going to be a little bit subdued compared to most of my layouts. I didn't really do that on intentionally. It just kind of how it turned out. I have this gold foiled kind of polka dotty acetate, and I decided to go ahead and use that. And I've done this before in my planner where I kind of just put down a piece of acetate or vellum and then kind of plan over that basically. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I just wanted to kind of add that piece of acetate, and I know you can totally see my camera in it, which I think is funny. But I'm just going to put a little piece of tape on each of the four corners, and then I'll cover those up with stickers so you don't really see that too bad on the actual page. But that's all I wanted to do, was just add the little pieces of tape so that you couldn't see it too bad. Okay, so once I get that glued on, I'm really gonna be decorating kind of minimally for this one, and then most of my stuff is going to be stickers. So the 2021 right there came from Elle Studios, and I knew I wanted to use that in the layout, and I'm putting it right there on the one. So I'm going to just use some red line tape and tape that on there. And then really that's all I'm going to do. We're going to go ahead and go into sticker time. Okay, so at the end there you could see that I wrote goals at the bottom half of the planner. I did this a couple of years ago when I was looking back at my planners, and I said I really want to do that this year as well. So I decided that I came up with 7 things that I really wanted to concentrate this year on, and I am going to be doing my word for the year is going to be intention, and it came from basically Christmas and how I was really intentional about making sure that I, I did my December daily, and I was really intentional about like my prompts and kind of telling those stories. And I really felt like it kind of stemmed from that. And there's some stuff in my life that I'm going through that I'm need to be really intentional about and that are going to happen this year. So I thought that that would be a great word for me. So I decided to go ahead and I'm going to actually put together a little like Frankenstein planner, Franken planner plan setup video. I have it recorded. I don't know exactly when it's going to go up, but it'll probably go up next week. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. And I'll talk a little bit more about that planner and the intentions and all that stuff. But the planner that I bought to help me with that had the actual word intention in it. Like it was one of the things that was in the book. So what I did was I just cut that little word out and then put that in that second box. So the first box is 52 happy planner layouts like I did last year. The next one is working on that intentions book. So basically writing things down and journaling about that. And then the other one is budgeting. So doing a weekly budget and I put the little cell phone thing there where you can see it's got the cash coming out of it because I'm going to be using a budgeting app to help me with that. And then I'm also going to try to do some meal prep and meal planning. And then of course, put some money in savings. The next one is cleaning and organizing. I really need to organize my house. It's just been this year, just living in my house all the time, all the days. It's just like my house has been destroyed. And all of my beautiful organization that I did when I first moved in is basically gone. So I just need to go through and organize. So that is what I plan on doing as well. And then the next one is really just self-care. I really want to try to make sure that I don't necessarily want to like diet or anything like that, but I feel like I want to start like taking care better of my skin and like just be a little bit more cautious about kind of the things that I'm doing. I am getting older and I need to just try to be a little bit more healthy. So, and then the other one is it says prayer and praise. And so I want to be journaling about devotionals again. And I totally got off of that. And I feel like it's definitely affecting my walk with the Lord and just really need to go back to that and start concentrating on being intentional about, spending time with the Lord. And then the last one is growing my YouTube channel. So I really want to grow my YouTube channel and just, I don't know, get more followers or get more subscribers. And so I really want to try to work on that and do that. So you see at the bottom, I put those little hexagon stickers. So some of them say like short-term goals and some of them say long-term goals. So anything that's like something that will continue through many years is like a long-term goal. And then like my 52 planner layouts, like once I do 52, that's like done. So it's more of a short-term goal. So, and I really just added that for the decorative piece of it. And then I did write down a few of my planner videos that I'm going to be putting out this week. Of course, this Plan With Me, and then I'm going to be finishing up my December daily, and then I'm also going to be finishing up my Happy Planner. I'm going to go ahead and do a flip through of my Happy Planner for 2020, and then my December daily as well. So so pretty much we'll have a video out every day day of the week this week. All right, so then I decided to go ahead and decorate the dashboard layout. I haven't done this in a while, and I had an idea that I wanted to share with you. So I got these little die cuts that are, say, week 1, week 2, all the way to week 52. And I was like really excited when I saw them because I was like, and then my planner was black and white, and I was like, oh, this is perfect. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and use those to mark kind of my planner layouts and, just give me kind of like almost like a countdown. Even though I'm going to be using it week 1 through week 52, I'm not doing a countdown, but it'll just kind of like, I think it'll be fun to have each month be kind of this little layout where I put down the weeks. And then I realized that once I did week 2, when I was about to put week 3 down, I was like, oh wait, I think there's 5 weeks in January, so I had to go back into the little pack there and find week 5, and of course it was at the very bottom of the stack. So I will find it here in a second and get that one attached down. So yeah, so that's what I plan on doing for all of the dashboard layouts right here. I'm going to go ahead and put these little the little weeks on there. And then I'm going to write the theme for the month at the top. So this month it's going to be all about me. And I do that pretty much every January, where I just kind of do different things about me. And then the first one, of course, is the 2021 goals. So yeah, and that is all that I have for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. I really would love to just grow my channel, and you can help me by subscribing. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the planner, and then we will see each other next time. Bye for now.